Hi friends, my name is Ratan. I am working for Durga Software Solutions as a Java trainer. Now I will give some video classes regarding core Java. Now here, today just I will give the trailer of core Java. So trailer means you can say importance of Java. So directly attending to core Java, completing core Java is not recommended. So once you are attending core Java means we must know what is the importance of core Java in real time. So why we are learning the core Java. So what is the main advantage of core Java. So first of all think about these points, then think about how to learn the core Java and all. So without knowing the importance of Java, learning the core Java, completing the courses is not at all recommended. So today just I will give the trailer of Java. You know trailer, every movie contains the trailer. Java also I will give the trailer today. So based on the trailer you can decide what is the movie here. Now I will start the Java. Coming to Java, so here nowadays Java faculties and Java is having very good boom. So Java faculties are safe side, you know. Why means nowadays every technology depends on core Java. Without core Java you are unable to survive in industry also. So you know that point. That is the reason every software engineer, as a tester, as a developer, as an admin, for every person, the common requirement is core Java. Why the common requirement is core Java, Ratan, means? Why the common requirement is core Java means? So every software technology, either new technology or old things and everything, nowadays everything is depends on core Java. So that is the reason nowadays core Java plays very important role in industry also. Now just I will give the, don't waste your time, I will give the importance of Java. So you can take this, Java is the central hub, so core Java. So I am talking about only core Java nowadays. Now I am talking about only core Java. Take the core Java here. Then I am a fresher, I am experienced of any person. So Java means starts with core Java only. So Java here, coming to core Java, nowadays every technology depends on core Java. So Ratan, can you please spell out some of the technologies that depends on core Java? So not some of the technologies, number of technologies that depends on core. What are the number of technologies that depends on core? Number one, you know nowadays mobile technology. So to develop the mobile applications we are using Android. Ratan, I would like to attend the Android, otherwise I would like to become an Android developer. So to attend the Android developer, we require the core Java. So Android depends on core. So you know, as a tester, you know Selenium. So to attend the Selenium classes, entirely Selenium depends on core. Selenium test, as a Selenium tester. Hey, no Ratan, I would like to become a HADOOP, big data developer. For that big data, nowadays 10 plus years experience guys, 8 plus experience, 5 plus experience, they are learning HADOOP, right? But to attend that HADOOP classes, that HADOOP coding is depends on Java, so we must know what? Core Java. So like Android, Selenium, HADOOP, so like you can say ADF, Application Development Framework. To attend the application development framework also, we require the core Java. And what is the next one here? Magic framework is there. This is Infotech framework is there to find out the geographic locations. To attend the Magic framework, like to know the Magic framework, so we must know core Java. Magic framework is there. So recently IBM launched two tools. What are the tools, Ratan? MDM, Master Data Management. So to attend to understand the master data management also, we require the core Java. Master data management is there. One tool is there. Darwin tool is there. To attend the Darwin tool also, we require the core Java. So you know SAP modules. In the SAP module, web application module is there in SAP. So to understand the web application module, so we require the core. If you are talking like that, number of technologies, everything is depends on core. So number of things are depends on core. Otherwise, if you want Selenium is alternative, OpenScript is there. It's Oracle framework. To attend the OpenScript also, we require the core Java. If you are talking like that, number of things are depends on core Java. So you know cloud computing, reporting tool. So to attend the cloud computing also, we require the Java. Cloud computing is there, and we require the Salesforce. Salesforce is also required the Java knowledge. So like etc depends on Java. These are all non-Java. Non-Java means, Ratan, I would like to become a Java developer. Java developer is a different part. This is everything is what? Non-Java. This is what? Non-Java. Hey, no, Ratan, I'm not interested in these all things. I want to become a Java developer. If you want to become a Java developer, that is a separate process. So what is the Java developer required technologies and all? After completion of the core Java, so we must think about what? ADV Java. We must think about advanced Java. So core Java, advanced Java. After advanced Java, so we must know Spring, so after advanced Java, better to attend the structs classes. After structs, so we must know Spring classes. So after Spring, what the next one here? So we must know web services. Web services depends on core. And what? So we are having the tools, AND tool, Marvin tool, JUnit tool. These tools also require the core Java. So we are having design patterns concept. The design patterns also depends on core, and we are having JSF. So like XYZ. So these all are also depends on core Java. These all are also depends on core Java. Now just I'm saying importance of Java. So these are the non-Java side. This is the Java side. So anyhow, once you complete the core Java, so you are eligible to learn these are all the technologies. Once you complete the core Java, so you are eligible to learn these all technologies. So that is the reason nowadays core Java is the central point regarding industry. So every person common point is what? Core Java. Once the core Java is completed, then only think about the other technologies. That is the main importance of your Java. So in the first demo class, so we must think about this diagram. Without knowing the importance of Java, learning the Java is what? Is a little bit difficult. Like not difficult, so no use. So in my classes, I will introduce this is the importance of Java. So nowadays every person is required Java. That is what? Importance. Now here, after importance of core Java, just think about the Java. Java is everything is a class-based language. So first of all, so you must know the what is the Java class here. So Java class, just I will give the basic introduction today. The remaining part we will discuss in later videos. So Java is everything is a class-based language. Generally, the class contains 5 elements. The first one is the variables concept. The class contains variables. Int a equal 10, string int employee ID equal to 111, string employee name equal Ratan. So the class contains variables. So how many types of variables we will discuss later classes. So just I am saying class. So class contains 5 elements. So variables. The second one is the methods. Number 3, what is the number 3 here? Constructors. Number 4 is the instance blocks. Number 5 is the static blocks. You can take the Java class. The Java class generally contains these 5 elements. Java class generally contains these 5 elements: variables, methods, constructors, instance blocks, static blocks. Once you know these 5 elements perfectly, how many types of variables, how many types of methods, how many types of constructors, how this flow of execution is done, how many types are there. If you know this flow of execution perfectly, so the Java will become very simple, because advanced Java also we are declaring the class, structs also we are declaring the class, Selenium also we are declaring the class, HADOOP also we are declaring the class. Once you know this class elements perfectly, then Java will become very easy. So that is the reason, first of all, concentration on the Java class. Once you know the class elements perfectly, then Java is very simple. Java is very simple. This information regarding what? Your class. So after completion of the class, so we must know the keywords of Java. So we can say keywords of Java. So any language contains some predefined words, like you can say keywords. Generally Java contains, so here nearly 50 keywords. C language contains some 32, CPP contains some keywords, but Java contains how many keywords here? 50 keywords in Java. So here, before learning the Java, first of all in demo classes we must think about the first point is what? Importance of Java. Once you know importance, what is next one here? The class elements. So we must to know the class elements. Once the class elements are completed, then think about how many keywords in Java. So general I said 50 keywords. So Java contains total 50 keywords. Today just I've listed out the 50 keywords. Once you know 50 keywords theoretically and practically, then we are able to understand the Java simple. I'm saying theoretically as well as practically. Don't think public means theoretically. Don't think try block means theoretically. So we must know the practical implementation of each and every keyword. Then say you know basics of core Java. You know basics of core Java. Now just today I will list out all the keywords. Once you are attending the core Java classes in XYZ classes, just think about. So you are completing the 50 keywords theoretically and practically or not. So this reason I will list out the keywords, and remembering the keywords is also very easy. Ratan, how to remember the keywords here? Just I will give you some categories regarding the keywords based on the category. So we are able to understand the keywords easily. Based on the categories, we are able to understand the keywords easily. Now here, so if anyone is asking how many keywords in C, we are able to say counter, but we are unable to say all the keywords perfectly. So in interview also, if the interviewer is asking, hey, tell me how many keywords in Java? 50, sir. Tell me what are the 50 keywords? Sir, I don't say like that. Just analyze how many subdivisions are there, like how many subparts are there. Just remember the subparts, then you are able to say the keywords in easy manner. So anyhow, remembering the 50 keywords are very easy after 5 minutes. So within 5 minutes I will complete the 50 keywords. So after 5 minutes we are able to understand the 50 keywords very easily. Okay, just I will categorize all the keywords just to think about the keywords. Okay. Now coming to the keywords, you know Java data types, C language, CVP contains data types. Coming to Java data types, in Java data type it contains byte to represent the numeric values, byte, short, int, long is the numeric values. To represent the floating point values, we are having float and double values. We are having float and double. To represent the single character char data type, to represent the true and false values, boolean is there. Total how many data types in Java? 8. These are the 8 keywords. Total how many here? 8. These are the 8 keywords. After data types, in BTech level, your faculties are always concentration on if else if, switch, for loops, right? So those are called flow control statement. Anyhow, you know BTech level, in the BTech level always faculties are concentration on flow control statement because you know some reasons is there. You leave it. Flow control statement. What are the flow control statement? If, else. I don't ask what is the if, what is the else. From the childhood onwards, you are concentration on if, else, switch. So if, else, switch. Inside the switch, we are declaring the cases by using case. If the cases are not matched to default, to stop the case execution, break we are using. That is the conditional statements. Next one is the iteration statements. What are the iteration statements here? For loop, you can say while loop, you can say do. Do while is a statement, but do is the keyword. Do is the keyword. Now the last one here, the continue is the thing. Total how many keywords here? So here 10 keywords. Data types are 8. Flow control statements are 10. Total how many keywords are completed here? 8. Keywords are nothing but predefined words here. Keywords are nothing but predefined words. It contains some fixed meaning. If contains fixed meaning, byte contains fixed meaning, int contains fixed meanings. So data types, flow control statements. You know importance of exception handling. Everyone says in interview level exception handling is very very important. In exception handling, so we must know the try block, catch block, and finally these 3 are the blocks. Next one is the, we must know the throws keyword. What next one here? Throw keyword. So these are the exception handling keywords. Total how many keywords in exception handling here? 5. So exception handling keywords. You say, everyone says Java is object oriented. We will discuss that points in detail in later classes, whether it is Java is really object oriented or not. So coming to the object oriented, object level keywords, then what are the object level keywords? To create the object, new keyword is required. So to represent the current class object, this keyword. To represent the parent class object, super. To represent the type of the object, we are using instance of. Total how many object level keywords here? 4. So like object level we are using these 4. You know C language, next one is next category. In C language we are saying the functions, but coming to the Java, these are called what? Methods. Java methods. So C language function means we are declaring function. I hope you remember everyone. So void add function we declared. This is called in Java methods. So while declaring the method, void is there. Void is the return type. It returns nothing. If Ratan, I don't know void, we will discuss later. Leave it. Void is the keyword to return nothing. Hey, no Ratan, my return type is the integer. If your return type is integer, so we must return the value, some integer value, by using return statement. That return statement is also keyword. Void and what is next one here? Return. These two are the method level keywords. Method level keywords. So you know Java present version of Java is 8th version. Java 8 version, present version of Java is Java 8. But in the Java 5th version, 2 new keywords are introduced. One is the enumeration concept, enum keyword. One is the assertion concept, assert keyword. These 2 keywords are introduced in 1.5 version, Java 5th version. So here the next one is the unused keywords, because keywords are available but developers are not using. From JDK 1.10 onwards, those 2 keywords are available in Java but developers are not using. It's creating lot of disturbances to the applications. What are the disturbances, Ratan? You know C language go to is there in C language. So control go to that place, go to this place, creating lot of disturbances. So we are not using go to keyword. What next one here? So constant is there. These 2 things are we are not using. Ratan, constant is important. Constant is important. But the constant functionality is replaced by final keyword, final modifier. So clear. So these are the go to and the constant. So here the next one is the source file keywords. Source file level keywords. What is source file written? We are declaring Java is everything is class based. Declare the class by using class keyword. So in inheritance level, class is extending the class. And Java supports interface concept, but interfaces are performing what? Implements. So implements. So class extends, interface implements, and Java contains packages concept. The package performing what? Import section 6. Class extends, interface implements, package import. So these are the 6 source file keywords. The last category here, modifiers. In interviews, if anyone is asking how many modifiers in Java, don't say 3 modifiers, 4 modifiers, 6 modifiers. Java, it contains 11 modifiers total. How many modifiers in Java here? 11 modifiers in Java. Don't say 3 modifiers, 4 modifiers. Actually, some persons are says access modifiers are access specifiers are 4, remaining are modifiers. This category. So don't think about that category, because in CPP that category is there, but in the Java there is no such type of category. In interview, if he is asking how many modifiers, means single answer. How many modifiers in Java? 11 modifiers. I will list out all the modifiers. We will discuss those modifiers in later. I already told you today is the trailer. Trailer means you know the point, right? So don't ask Ratan where is the movie. Just today I will give the trailer. So everyone concentration and trailer here. So now I will restore the modifiers. What are the modifiers? You know, one is the public. One is the public. Next one is the private. Next one is the protected. So next one is a final and static. Final, static, abstract. Next one is what? Synchronized is there, and strict FP is there. So next one is the volatile is the modifier. Volatile. So you observe your keywords are must be blue color. If your not seems to be blue color, means you are typing mistake. Volatile is the modifier. What is next one here? So transient is the modifier, and need to is the modifier. So total how many modifiers? 11 modifiers. So can you please count these values? So total how many keywords in Java total here? 50 keywords. So these are the 50 keywords. So Ratan, in the modifiers list I not included default. The default is also modifier, but I am not including. If you are including the default, total the count will become 12. Ratan, why we are not including the default in the modifiers list? So if you are observing or not, in the flow control statements I already included default. If you are already included default, that is a keyword is there. There is no duplicate keywords. This reason, how many modifiers in Java? 11. If you are including default also, total it will become 12 modifiers. So generally, keywords means total how many modifiers here? 11. So these are the 50 keywords in Java. Ratan, I know Corejava means, perfectly means, you must know all the keywords. So this reason, concentration on the keywords. Up to now you are completed importance of Java, then class elements. After class elements, I completed keywords. How many keywords? I given list of all the keywords. After keywords, then think about the methods concept, because in Java everything we are writing application business logics by using methods only. So in any technology, any framework, we are writing the logics of the application by using methods. Ratan, class is important. Inside the class we are declaring the method, inside the method we are writing the logics. So finally methods are used to write the logics of the applications. Methods are used to write the logics of the application. Now just I will list out all the methods in Java, like you can say core Java level. I will list out all the methods. So I will give nearly 20 or 23 methods. Once you know those methods perfectly, obviously you know that point, we are perfect in Java. Ratan, what is the 23? Not exact count, that is based on only Ratan class. Not exact count, there is no exact 23 methods in Java. That is my convention, that is this is my class, my convention, everything. So total how many methods in Java? Nearly 20 plus. I will list out all the methods. So check all the methods once. Good. So coming to Java methods concept. So in the Java methods, the first category regarding Java methods, number 1. So any count is not required, so better to, so you can say number 1. So Java methods number 1. What number 1 here? You can say the first category, so instance method and static method. The first category here, instance method and static method. So once you know the instance method, what is the static method? Number 3. What is number 3 here? You know, in OOPS level, normal methods are there. Number 5, abstract methods. Normal methods and abstract methods. Number 6, so here, XOR methods. You know, setters and getter methods. XOR methods. Number 7, mutator methods. You can say mutator methods. Don't think about the spelling, feeling is important. So XOR methods are nothing but what? So getter methods. So mutator methods are nothing but what? Setters, getters and setters. So instance, static, normal, abstract, XOR methods, mutator methods. So number 8. So here you know overriding concept. So what do you mean by overridden method? So ridden method is there. Number 9, what is the overriding method? So in interview they are asking what do you mean overriding method? What do you mean overriding method? So overridden method and overriding method. Number 10, so we must know what do you mean by final method. Number 11, after final method, so here final method is there. So we must know what are the native methods in Java. So after native methods, then think about the strict FE method to get the floating point calculations. So platform independent result, strict FP method is there. Strict FE methods. Number 13, after strict FE method, so next category is not a great one. So here you know public modifier. So public methods anyone can access. So public methods anyone can access. Number 14, so private method within the class can access. That categories we'll discuss later. Next one is a protected method. So one class within the package, on outside package subclasses are able to access. Number 6, so default method. So by default if you are not declaring any modifier, so default method concept is there. Default methods. Number 17. What is number 17, Ratan? This one is very important here. So you know factory method in Java. Ratan, I don't know what is the factory method. Factory methods. Ratan, I don't know what is the factory method, Ratan. So you are unfortunately you are saying, so you are not eligible to write the code in high-end level, like in the Selenium, Advanced Java, Structs, Spring, factory method. The method returns the object that is called factory method. In detail, we will discuss later classes. So first of all, think about what is the factory method. So here, Advanced Java, Selenium, high-end technologies, everything is using factory method. The simple point regarding factory method, the method returns object that is called factory method in Java. So generally, three types of factory methods. Number one is the instance factory method. Instance factory method is there. Number 18. What is number 18 here? Static factory method is there. What is number 19 here? So pattern factory method is there. So instance factory, static factory, pattern factory. So the 19 methods are there. So these are the factory methods are very important regarding the project level. So instance factory. So you know instance means the factory method is called by using reference type, that is called instance factory. Factory method is called by using reference type. Generally I will give the basic point regarding instance factory. So you know I declared string, the string str equal to, just I am writing here DURGASOFT. So DURGASOFT. In the DURGASOFT, str dot substring I am calling. The substring from the second character to fourth character I am writing. The substring returns some piece of string. I am storing that piece of string by using str1. This is called substring. Just here printing the substring. The substring some data is printed. Leave it. Don't bother about the data. Now here the substring is a method. That method is we called by using str, string class. So substring a method of string class. So substring is a method of string class. What it returns here? String class object only. So one Java class method, string class method, it is returning which object? String class object. That is called factory method. So substring is a factory method. Now here concentrate. Str is the reference type or class type. You know string str is a reference type. So we are calling this method by using reference type. We are calling that method by using reference type. That is called instance factory. That is called instance factory. What about static factory, Ratan? Coming to static factory here. So you know to load the class in high-end level like advanced Java level, to load the class we are using class.forName method. Class.forName method. We are writing some class name here. I am writing just a demo class here. So class.forName, you know the forName method return type here, the class object only. So here forName is a method. That method is belongs to which class? Obviously class. The class itself class. The forName is belongs to class. The forName is belongs to class. It returns same object, class object. One Java class method is returning same class object. That is called factory method. forName is also factory method. But concentrate here. forName is a factory method, but this factory method is called by using reference type or class type. Obviously, are calling class type. Class is a class, right? So the factory method by using class, the factory method is called a static factory. Reference type we are calling instance factory. Class type we are calling static factory. Otherwise, you know, locale class, locale cart, get default locale is there. It returns the so locale, get default locale is belongs to locale class. It returns locale object. That is also factory method. Otherwise, you know, well-known point. So integer class is there. What is the integer class here? To create the integer object, integer dot, the method name is called value of method. We are passing the 10. It returns which object? Obviously integer object, integer I. Value of method is belongs to integer class. It returns integer object. That is called factory method. But value of you are calling by using which class? Integer class. So this is called which method here? Static factory. So instance factory, static factory. What is number 3 here? Pattern factory. Coming to pattern factory here. Pattern factory. You know, I created some like the method is called which one here, string buffer class. I'm writing the string buffer. The string buffer SB equal to new string buffer of string buffer SB equal new string buffer of, I'm passing some data Ratan here. I'm passing some data Ratan here. This is my Ratan. I would like to convert the string buffer into string. So here string buffer into string means just you are calling SB dot, the method name is called toString method. SB dot toString, what it returns? It returns the string class object, string str. Now concentrate here. The toString is a method. In this scenario, that actually toString is belongs to object class. In this scenario, toString is belongs to string buffer. ToString method belongs to string buffer. It returns which object? String object. That ToString is also pattern factory method. So instance factory, static factory, pattern factory. The method returns different class object. So here string buffer class ToString returns string class object, different class object, that is called what? Pattern factory. So otherwise, you know, number of points here, you can have in the number of points. How to create the connection in Java? How to create the connection in Java? Tell me. So we are writing connection, some connection reference variable. We are calling driver manager dot, the method name is called what? Get connection method. So we are passing some URL and all. Get connection method belongs to driver manager class. What it returns? Connection object. Get connection belongs to driver manager. What it returns? Connection. So driver manager is also factory method. So like in Java, the method returns object, that method is called factory method. How many types of factory methods here? 3 types. In instance factory, factory method is called by using reference. Static factory, factory method is called by using class. Pattern factory, the factory method returns different class object. So finally, factory method means one Java class method returns either same class object in this same class object or different class object. I will repeat one more time. One Java class method returns same class object or different class object, that is called factory method. So in detail we will discuss in elaboration in later classes. Just this is a demo class. So here, so instance factory is there, static factory is there, pattern factory is there. Number 20. What is number 20, Ratan? You know, in multi-threading level, you are having synchronizer method is there. Synchronizer methods. What is next one here? We will discuss non-synchronizer method. What do you mean by synchronizer method? What do you mean by non-synchronizer method? This is 20 and 21. So here different types of methods. So check the methods. Instance method, static, normal method, abstract, accessors, mutators, overriding, final methods, native methods, strict FP, public, private, protected, default, instance factory, static factory, pattern factory, synchronizer, non-synchronized. The last category here, so inline method. Inline methods are the, so inline methods. Number last one here, the callback methods. Callback methods. Inline methods and callback methods. So these are the total number of methods present in Java. So once you know these all methods perfectly, so you are perfect in Java. Now the class elements, the class contains how many elements? Now we discuss the keywords of Java. After keywords in methods in Java, nearly I will complete it here. I'm writing 23 methods. So the important methods are instance factory, static factory, pattern factory. I completed factory also. So concentration is factory level. And the last point regarding the trailer, now here the class in Java, different types of classes. These classes we covered in Java. So Java classes, I'm talking about basic level classes. The first category we can say normal class. The first one is the normal class. Number 2, what is number 2 here? Abstract classes. Number 3, after abstract classes, now final class is there. After final class, next one is the strict FP class. Normal class means contains normal methods, abstract classes. It may contains abstract or may not contains abstract. We'll discuss later. Final class is preventing inheritance. Strict FP class to get the floating point like a platform independent results. Number 5. What is number 5 here? Immutable class. Mutability is there, immutability. Immutable means what? Modifications are not allowed. So here number 6, mutable classes. How to create immutable classes? Mutable classes we'll discuss later. Immutable class and mutable classes. Number 7. So what is the number 7 here? So you are having public classes. Number 8. What is number 8 here? So default class. So don't think about the inner class. For the inner classes, static modifier is there, protected is there, so leave it. I am talking about only outer classes like main classes in Java. Number 9. What is number 9 here? The singleton class. Singleton class. So these are the, it is possible to create only one object for the singleton class. So these are the, generally we are discussing how many classes here? 9 classes at core Java level. So clear? This information regarding classes. This is the trailer of Java. I will give the overview of trailer. So concentrate here. In the trailer, the first one you discuss the importance of Java. Number of technologies depends on Java. After importance of Java, I list out all the technologies. You can please check the all the technologies. These are some of the technologies. Number of technologies depends on Java. Next one you discuss the Java. Java is a class-based language. The class contains how many elements? 5 variables, methods, constructors, instance blocks, static blocks. After class we started keywords. How many keywords in Java? 50. I hope everyone is able to see 50 keywords within 2 minutes. So you know categories and all. So check the keywords. After keywords you will discuss the methods. Total how many methods are categorized here? 23 methods. Once you perfect in 23 methods, Java is not a great thing. So 23 methods, and I list out how many classes here? 9 classes. This is your trailer of Java. So once you know this trailer completely, you are perfect in Java. So clear? So thanks to everybody. This is our demo class regarding Ratan. So you know I'm working for DURGASOFT. So if you want any online classes and like live classes, weekend batches or regular batches, any batch, contact DURGASOFT. So clear? Contact DURGASOFT. So the final, I will show all the content in desktop. So check the content. Thanks to everybody.